Autel Ultra Intelligent Diagnostics function is missing? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Issue: missing intelligent diagnostics on Autel MaxiSys Ultra/Ultra Lite /MS909/MS919 series. Background: some users have reported that the intelligent diagnostics feature is no longer available on their Autel MaxiSys Ultra/Ultra Lite /MS909/MS919 series tablets. Here's the key update. Renaming of the feature. The intelligent diagnostics feature has been renamed to vehicle data in newer devices manufactured after 2024. Older devices may still retain the original intelligent diagnostics option. New devices. From 2024 onwards, new devices will only have the vehicle data option. Possible issues. If the vehicle data button is grayed out, the following could be the reasons. 1. Geographic limitations. The vehicle data function is available only if the Autel ID and the device's login IP are from either the US or Canada. Mexico is excluded. 2. Supported vehicle models. The function is available for a limited number of vehicle brands, including Acura, Alfa Romeo, Audi, BMW, Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Eagle, Fiat, Genesis, GMC, Honda, Hyundai, Infiniti, Jaguar, Jeep, Kia, Land Rover, Lincoln, Mercedes-Benz, Mini, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Porsche, Ram, Smart, Subaru, Suzuki, Volkswagen, and Volvo. If you're working on a model not supported, e.g. Ford, Mazda, Mercury, Toyota, Lexus, Scion, the vehicle data option will remain unavailable. How to check if you can use the vehicle data function. Ensure your Autel ID and IP address are from the US or Canada. Check if the vehicle you're diagnosing is among the supported models listed above. If the conditions are met but the issue persists, it may require a software update or contacting Autel support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.